Sorry, I like doing my hair. Okay, but I actually turned my camera off by accident. I was trying to show you guys my post. So I'm kind of hungry. Maybe that's just me. This side part, I don't like it. I'll fix it. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Why is it going out like that? You know what? We don't judge it. Okay, so name is guys, I'm getting a kitty. I'm happy. I posted that 20 hours ago because I am getting a kitty sometime today, maybe, or tomorrow. I also had this other post and these other posts. If you guys don't see them, then go check them out if you can. Okay, I don't know. I already got a kitty toy. Happy Meals, Happy Meal toy. I added lashes because kitty needs a girl to hang out with. It's kind of squishy too. And also has a ponytail. This one is purple. This bracelet my sister gave to me. It's very nice. I'm definitely gonna wear it. Okay, that little hair strand is bothering me. Oh yeah, this cute little thing. It got a stain on here, but I don't think that matters. This can be another cat toy, but I'm sorry. Sorry, they kind of replaced me with AI. So like, I am like AI pushing them. I'm just kidding. But I really hate AI. Not like really, but like what AI is doing, and like I don't know. It's like, but like AI is getting too advanced. Like I could be AI generated. Okay. Cat appliances. I already made a list. Cat bowl, 2 cat bowls for the water and food. Cat food, of course, cat food. I'd probably get a big one and clean out my closet because I want to put the carrier in there because I have a cat carrier in there. Not in there, but I can put the okay. I could litter box. I already got a cat bed. Well, not like a cat bed, but like a bed that the cat can sleep on. And I'll put it near my floor, my bed, because right now my bed is like close to my desk. and like my desk is like kind of high up. Cat comb, I heard that's a good thing, and the cat is very fluffy. Toothbrush for kitty, they need to clean their teeth too. Toys, I got one toy down, but they need other toys. I got, yeah, I'm getting a squeaker toy to squeak it. I think that's a pretty good list. That might be a pretty good list. Moody, I'm glowing. Okay. Yes. We kind of look alike. Wait, I want to show you me from last year. This was me in my Mavis cosplay. I look weird. And this was me walking by myself. I look very chubby. But I'm still him. But looks don't matter because what's in your heart matters and how you perceive your views and all that. Like you could be like really awesome looking, but you could be like Trump is cool. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm trying to find other pictures from last year. May. May. Oh, I don't have that much May pictures. I have pictures from June though. I like eating popsicles a lot with popsicles. Oh, little baby puppy. Why is it flashing? Okay, I got scared. I'm getting a lot of. Ooh. Okay, this was the banana split last year that I couldn't finish. Why is it always flashing like that? Am I being watched by AI? What is happening? I'm gonna show another picture for me from last year. I kind of look the same. The top of it is flashing. I kind of look the same. I mean, I don't know. This is me with my bangs grown out. Somehow my bangs are just staying right there. They're not like going lower. They're just staying. This is me with my bangs. Yeah. They started to grow. I look weird. And this is me with my bangs. Probably right by here or lower. I had a filter on. And when it was school, the start of school, I chopped it all off. like really up there, and I don't know. I thought it looked cool, and yeah, I kind of grew from there. Oh yeah, this is my old room. Yeah, I don't think I started doing videos in that old room. I'm trying to see my bang evolution. Oh yeah, this was me with long bangs. I covered my whole face. I also had contacts back then. This is me with just my normal hair. I had like skull makeup on because it was Halloween. Uh, I always use dog filter and like dumb filters, but this is me with my hair down again. I kind of miss the contacts. My eyes are just brown, plain old brown. I want to grow my hair more though. This is me with my hair. Middle part. I don't like middle part much. This is me with my clown makeup because it was Halloween. Yeah, I was right there. My bangs, like up to my eyes near. And I have another photo of it up to my bangs. My eyes. Okay. I definitely had a lot of bang evolutions. This is it to the side. Add a filter. Stop. Okay, this is me with my hair kind of curved. I mean, I kind of like it. Me and my Chica cosplay, with my septum, my stretch one. Um, I kind of miss my Chica cosplay. And this was my sister in her marionette cosplay. This was me with my short hair. It's probably like up to here, and my bangs were just right there. Back in the days, I had strips, said them, and me with my glasses. Yeah, I had to tape them. Me with my short hair and cosplaying. Um, don't worry, I have clothes on in there. Okay, but I was cosplaying. I forgot her name. Oh my god. I don't watch Hunter x Hunter, but it's one of the characters. I don't know why I did this, or like something like that, but this was me when I had shorter hair. I cut it into some kind of pixie, and it was like my wings spread up here, and it was like flying with that. You can tell there's Pusheen in there, because that's me. This was me in my Bella cosplay. I had like my big contacts in. This was a dumb photo. I was just staring at the screen, but also with the same contacts in because I ran out of contacts. And chopped bangs. I don't know what happened to them. Oh yeah, I chopped my bangs off. I think I did that on video. I did. I don't have any photos of me with red hair. I just have dumb videos. Oh, that's my sister. But yeah, I had like red roots for a while until I dyed it back to black. This was me walking home with my you can see my leg in it. With my ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. This was me in my dress in my video. I don't know. I kind of like the dress. Okay. Oh, I have other photos with my red hair. Never mind. I have a don't mind my sister. I have a photo of me getting my hair dyed and photos of me in class. I look so. And this was from last month. You can quite see the resemblance in us. Yeah, I had to. I don't know. I just heard. Uh, I'm looking at old memories on Snap. This filter is so dumb, but yeah, my bangs were like in a U shape for like quite a while. It just never grew. My god. I tried to get snake bites, but I failed to push it all the way in because it kind of went too high. So I had to like put it out and like it was sore. This is me with a middle part on World Goth Day. I think that was the last bit. And this was me today. Okay. Well, that was a good That was a good rerun of my bangs. Oh yeah, so back to the follower that I lost. Actually, I knew the follower that I lost, and we're not friends anymore. So, but it's okay because I'll always make new friends, and yeah, that's what I'm leaning on right now. And friendship is magic. So if the friendship ended, then it was magic. What's your cutie mark? Let's think of that at the end of the day. And I also got 100. I don't know how to say 102. I don't know, but I will make the intro and outro using some of my old videos. Like probably like I don't know. I have 30, 33. No, probably 30. Yeah, or yeah, 30 videos, and I will make like some kind of like slideshow with it. It'll really be good. And I'm gonna show a slideshow that I did with my old friend, but now now we can't show it to each other because we're not friends anymore. So I'll show it to you guys on here without using my friends and family's real names. So I'm trying to crack my knuckles, but I can't. But I can do this. Crack at once. Okay. See you guys later, and hopefully I won't tap off next time when I'm making a video.